So guys, welcome back again. You have this iPhone XR here on hello mode. This is iPhone XR on hello mode. So let's do step by step on how we can bypass the hello mode. So as usual, if the phone is on hello mode, you won't be able to get full access on network. You can't use it for calls. So you can only bypass and use Wi-Fi. That's the only thing you can do. So this phone is on hello mode, so let's do the setup to see if it is locked. Let's change the language. So as you can see, iPhone locked to owner. Yeah, you can see iPhone locked to owner. So let's do step by step on how we can bypass it. So let's put the phone to recovery mode. Let's put the phone to recovery mode. We are going to use FRPFIRE RAMDISK A12-A13 to bypass this one. It is very simple and easy to use this one. Since Unlock 2 and EFT2 doesn't support the hello bypass, so you have to use FRPFIRE RAMDISK activator. So let's connect the phone to this is iPhone XR. Yeah, so without wasting more time, you can see the iOS version are here. So let's check from the 3.2. The iOS version is 18.7.9. 18.7.9. So let's select from here 18.7.9. that is this one, 18.7.9. so let's select it from here. Now please make sure you register the ECID, this code. You have to register this code from FRPFIRERAMDISK.com from their site, or you can just DM me. I will do the registration for you. Yeah, you have to register the ECID code before the software can permit you to do the hello bypass. So as usual, you need the Pico 2. You need the Pico 2 to pound the phone, as we always do. So let's put the phone into DFU mode and pound it. So without pounding it, let us try to boot it and see what happens. So let's boot it and see. Enter recovery mode. Yeah, the software automatically boot the phone into recovery mode. So now we are going to use the DFU helper. So as usual, you click start, then you press and hold the side key, the side and the volume down buttons together for 4 seconds. Then you raise the side button and keep holding the volume down for 10 seconds. So let's do that now to boot the phone to DFU mode. So guys, you are going to press start now. Then you follow the process. to do as the software indicated here. So you press and hold the side key and the volume down together. So let's press start, then you press and hold here. Now you release the power key and keep on holding the volume down until the phone goes to DFU mode. Yeah, we are on DFU mode now. So successfully booted into DFU mode. Please use a RP2350 base to execute the exploit boot pound. So as usual, the software is asking for this Pico 2 to pound the phone before we can start the next process. So guys, here you need to disconnect from the iPhone, then you connect your Pico 2, here like this, then you connect your micro cable from the computer to the other side of the Pico 2 without pressing the boot key. Do not press the boot key. So let's connect the micro USB to the Pico 2 to pound the phone. So we are pressing now, and there's supposed to be a flashlight here, meaning it is working successfully. So let's connect it now. Successful. Yeah. So we can now disconnect it and disconnect it from the phone. Then we connect the the lightning cable to the software again. So you can see it is showing here, meaning the phone is successfully powered. So here, auto select, then boot RAM disk. After booting, then we bypass the hello. Yeah. So without wasting time, let's click on the button and see what happens next. So the software is in action now, downloading some files. We are still waiting for the software to complete the operation. So guys, if you need any activation, just let me know. Just DM me. I'll put my number on the screen. Just DM me, WhatsApp me any software that you need. Just let me know. I will do the activation for you. Yeah. And also, if you want to learn, please DM me. I will teach you step by step on how to do software. At least I will teach you what I know. Yeah. So for the first time use, this software is supposed to download all the necessary files. Yeah. If the file is already downloaded, it will be faster and easy. Now you can see it is working now. Let's wait for it. So it is successfully. So let's bypass hello. You can see if it is on passcode, you select this option. So now this is hello method, so you're going to select bypass hello, no change serial number. So let's click on it and see what happens next. So it is successfully done. Let's see. This software is very super cool. It doesn't fail. So let's see if it is successfully bypassed or not. Let's try it and see. Wow, you can see it is successfully done. Very simple and easy method. Very simple. You can see this is our iPhone SR and it is ready to use now. So guys, you can see the steps is very simple and easy. Very simple and easy. This is DDT phones, laptops and TV services. So guys, thank you for watching. We are going to do more video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. comment, like and share in order to do more. Thank you guys.